Hi, you probably don't have access to a film studio or professional lights and sound equipment. Now here's a couple of things you can think about if you don't. If you can choose the place for your film, be sure to find a place that is calm and, perhaps most important, silent, with no distracting sounds or activities. And be sure to find a place where you can move around furniture and equipment so that you can plan for the best possible shots for your film. Most rooms have windows, which means access to sunlight, which is a great and sometimes the only source of light for us to work with. This room is lit by a large window. It's very tempting to use the nice view as a backdrop, but if you do, the subject you're filming will become very dark. For most classrooms, this is the same thing. What you have to do when using the lights from windows is to move the camera to a position where you can capture the light falling in front of the subject. Now, this way the subject is well exposed. You can also use whatever lamp you can find to lighten up the dark areas of your shot. In this shot here, I've been using a regular desktop lamp to light up the side of my face, and it works pretty good. When you set up your experiments or your field trip, plan for the video production so that you can use the best lighting possible. Where should you place people, equipment, and the camera to get the best possible light? I would also like to say something short about composition of an image. A good basic rule for this is what we call the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is based on a grid you get by dividing your image in 3 spaces, both horizontal and vertical. To compose a dynamic and well-balanced image, you should place people, objects or horizons on the lines and intersections of this grid. This image is composed that way. Let's look at another example. This image seems good enough, but if you use the rule of thirds, it would be even better. Place people on the vertical lines and their heads in the intersection, and you will get a much more balanced image. Don't you agree?